The ultimate guide to personal finance management for beginners, more than just budgeting. Managing your personal finances can be overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. But, with the right mindset and tools, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. In this guide, we'll cover more than just budgeting, and provide you with all the essential information you need to manage your finances better. 1. Start with a financial vision. Before you start budgeting or making any financial decisions, take a step back and think about your financial goals. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a house, or invest in your future? Write down your long and short-term financial goals and make sure they're specific, attainable, and measurable. 2. Create a budget. A budget is a great tool to help you track your spending and make sure you're staying on track to meet your financial goals. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Then, create a budget that allocates every dollar to essential expenses like housing, utilities, food, transportation, and savings. Don't forget to include a bit of money for fun too. 3. Track your spending. Keeping track of your spending can be an eye-opener, especially if you haven't done it before. Record everything you spend your money on, and categorize your expenses to see where you can reduce costs. You can use a spreadsheet, an app, or a pen and paper. Just find a method that works for you. 4. Reduce expenses. Once you've tracked your spending, you can start looking for areas where you can reduce costs. Cut out unnecessary expenses and negotiate down your bills. With just a few small adjustments, you can create more room in your budget to save and invest for your financial future. 5. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is an essential part of any comprehensive financial plan. It's important to have savings set aside for unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Strive for 3 to 6 months of expenses in your emergency fund. 6. Tackle debt. Paying off debt is a critical step towards achieving financial freedom. List out all your loans and credit cards, and start paying off the ones with the highest interest rates first. Make consistent payments on all your debts and avoid adding any new debt. 7. Invest in your future. Investing is an excellent way to grow your wealth over time. Start investing as soon as you can to take advantage of compound interest. There are many types of investments, so educate yourself on the different options and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 8. Review and adjust your financial plan. Your financial goals and circumstances will change, so it's important to regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Make sure your plan is flexible enough to adapt to changes in your life. Managing your personal finances can be overwhelming, but with a solid plan and a bit of discipline, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. Start by creating a financial vision, then move on to budgeting, tracking your spending, reducing expenses, building an emergency fund, tackling debt, investing in your future, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan. Thank you for following this guide to personal finance management for beginners. Want to learn more? Visit our channel ZZZ.